Okay, in this lesson, we want to talk about these levels, this stage or scene. As you can see, we have a start scene here and this scene number 1, and we can add another scene number 2, scene number 3. They are empty, we have to complete them. Okay, I can insert some object for making our scene more beautiful. For example, here from object we insert some trees or platform or something. Okay, fine. Make it click and drag and insert as an object. Insert as an object, insert as an object. Okay, we need some cloud. Insert as an object, insert as an object to make our scene more beautiful. Okay. As you can see, they're all import in scene. First, you can delete them. And here we have our object here. You can insert it. Let's first insert some cloud here. But as you can see, they have a collision. You have to select all of them and make them decoration. They're just decoration. Okay, for when the character jump, they will not be collide with them. Okay, another cloud to our scene here. Scene number 2, we make it more beautiful. Okay, some cloud there. Make sure that all of them are here. Decoration, don't forget them. With holding shift, you can click all of them and make decoration. It's important because it's in the default when you insert, it is platform and the character hits with that. Okay, going to the stage number 2 or level number 2. Let's start. We can as some cactus. Okay, as you can see, if we play, there are platform and our character hit to them, collide to them, and cannot pass them. We have to jump. So we have to select all of them and make them decoration. If you select here, we have some other option as a reference. Okay, that's level 2. As you can see, if you click here, show game frame, going to the start, this is our game frame, as you can see. And our mobile or our tablet are showing this area. You can increase or decrease the, for example, the start length or here. Stage number or scene number 1. Okay, insert some platform to here. Okay, this platform and this platform and this platform. Okay, delete them. They are not decoration, they are our scene. Okay, the character is here. We can copy by D, make a hole here, another D, bring it here. You can make them like this. I want to make a hole here. As you can see, we are very simple. We can make our scenes, make something different here, or bring this box to the scene. Okay, we have our scene. As you can see, if we play that, the software will be arrange them randomly. As you can see, we are start. Oh, we go into scene number 3. Scene number 3 is repeat. Scene number 2. As you can see, it repeat them randomly to the endless. Okay, here are scenes. As you can see, if you click on this arrow, we have a timeline or scene manager or stage manager. As you can see, we have a start, scene number 1, scene number 2, scene number 3. Draw to the end. These numbers are in a pixel, and this is the scene length. As you can see, they are all the same. With this number, with this situation, the software will repeat all the scenes to the end. You can, if you want to make your align your scene, you have to go to edit and align the scene. It's okay. As you can see, the start 1, number 2 or number 3 according to the length will be aligned here. You can change the length like this, but I suggest you, for example, in scene number 3, change the length of your scene with this method. Okay, bring this number here and you can change your scene. For refresh this area, going to the edit and align scene again. Look at the tree, it make be longer. Okay, this is length of this scene by pixel. Okay, this is align and we play. Here we are going to scene number start will be start scene number 1. Okay, this is scene number 2. This is scene number 3. And after scene number 3, it's end. We have nothing. We have no scene number 4 or. So the software does not changing them by random. They're changing by the order. If you want to again go into randomize, you can go into the edit and randomize scene again, and just we have 3 levels and software repeat and repeat them again. Okay, you can, for example, solo and mute them. You can solo just when you play. We just have a level number 2. Start is will always play, and we have just scene number 2. As you can see, scene number 2 will be repeat and repeat and repeat. If you want to just review a just selected scene, you have to go in here, select a scene and review that scene just only. You can mute it. For example, when you play your randomize, the scene number 2 will be not display, and you can mute anything scene that you want. Okay, if you close that, you can click on those scene. M for muting, as you can see, it's highlight for mute that. M again, or can S solo them. It's green and others will be red. And the start will be a show every time. Okay. If you select scene number 2, for example, or scene number 1, you can just play review selected. As you can see, you can just review a selected review. It's not starting in a regular manner. Okay, just repeat and you can review scene number 2. If you play, the game will be start from beginning. You can start, you have your menus or anything. Okay, this is all about scene manager, and you can add any scene, add your objects, add a decoration or platform if you want to character collide with that. For example, go over to all of those settings that you insert, and it's important to correct the collision shape. Okay, this is a collision shape, right? But I want to make it in a circle. It's nice because I want to character pass over those. Okay, you can change all of the shape collision the circle, and it's nice. I don't want the character stick to that. If they are enemy, yes, you can make your polygon shape. I think that's a circle. You have to make your game smooth, that the character when jump doesn't stick to any character. Okay, the cloud are decoration and don't need to collision. This is important. We have to make it collision. Exactly right. And everything is right. You can check your collision going to the start active debug mode. And as you can see, this is a collision of the club, but the character does not stick to them because they are decoration. And all of those are decoration. Okay, everything is right. This is a collision of the platform. And you can, if you don't need to need stage number 4, you can hit delete on your keyboard and delete that. Okay, this is all about the scenes. You can add any scene that you want and manage them here by, you can zoom in, zoom out, or show entire scene. And that's right. That's very easy. Deactivate that. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.